It's a family-owned business. The Kramer family, third generation. Actually, really 4 generations, but and they didn't have anybody in the family involved in it, and they needed an exit strategy. They were in their early 60s, and they needed a way out, and they needed somebody to come in and manage it for them. And I was smart enough at this point to say, all right, I'll do it, but if we get it turned around in the right position, I want to buy it. Because I just got walked to the door after 10 years of hard work, and I don't have anything to show for it. I'm not doing it again. And we negotiated for a couple of weeks and really fell in love with the family, and it just worked. They made a deal to make it work, and that was in September. In November or early December, we went to dinner with them, my wife and myself, and she had her daughter show up, and the whole family, and they handed us a piece of paper that said, here, you will be able to buy the company if something happens to us before we cut the deal for $1 above what it appraises for. So, it's like family. And at that point, you really dig in and go, all right, we got to really turn this into something. And, that's been the journey that we've been on for the last 10 years.